How to edit, delete, or hide post in Zepeto app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can edit, delete, or hide post in Zepeto app. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's begin. First step, open up your app, and after you do that, you can head over to your profile on the bottom right. After you're on your profile, what you'll then need to do is select your post. After you've selected the post, tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Then from here, you can see different options. So there are different options such as delete, hide, and edit, which we are trying to do. So first, let's move on to edit. Tap on edit. And after you do that, you can now add your caption here. You can add hashtags. Tap on the hashtags button right here. You can tap on a hashtag and just type in whatever you want. After you've done that, you can then move on and tag members as well. You can tag a pose, you can tag a word, and so on and on. After you're done with the editing options, tap on the done button right here. And that's how you edit your post. Now, to hide a post, tap on the three dots at the bottom right. And there you'll find the hide this post option. If you tap on it, tap on OK again, and the post is now hidden. And that's how you hide your post. So there I've brought back my post. Now to delete it, tap on your post again, tap on the three dots, then tap on delete. Then tap on OK to confirm the deletion. And there you go, you have just deleted your post. And that's how you edit, delete, or hide post in Zepeto app. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.